This is Geeta. Hope you guys are doing wonderful and welcome back to my channel. Summer is almost here. It's that time of the year when we enjoy going to the beach, hanging outdoor with friends and wear our beautiful summer clothes. Unfortunately, along with all the great things about summer, we also are prone to a tanned, dark skin, which is a very uncomfortable and irritating, often accompanied with itching or a burning sensation. If you don't take care of your tanned skin on time, day by day it's getting darker, changing your skin tone to the point where you hardly see your natural skin color. If you want to get rid of suntan, please keep on watching. So today I'm going to show you 2 different and easy steps to remove the suntan naturally. The first step is exfoliation. For that, we need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey and around 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to make a paste like a consistency. Be careful not to use too much lemon juice, else the sugar will dissolve. And this scrub is good for all skin type. Now wet the face or skin, apply the scrub and gently massage it at least for 3 to 5 minutes. This will help to make your skin soft, remove the dead skin cells and also reduce skin discoloration, pigmentation, fine line and wrinkles. You can use this scrub as part of your daily bath routine and you will see an amazing difference. My second step is preparing and applying a mask. This mask is good for normal to combination and oily skin. To prepare the mask, you need 1 teaspoon of gram flour or besan, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of yogurt. Mix all the ingredients to make a paste like consistency. For dry or sensitive skin, you need to add to the above mixture 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Mix all the ingredients well and now apply the mask to your skin. This mask is very effective in removing suntan from your face and body. It has healing and exfoliating properties which help to remove dead skin cells, reduce dark spots, fine line and wrinkles to make your skin soft and brighten naturally. Apply this mask on your skin for at least 20 minutes or till dry and then wash your face with cool tap water and pat dry. Finally, moisturize your skin. For the best result, follow this treatment on alternative days or at least 3 times a week and you will see the difference. If you have any suggestion for me, please type it in a comment box below. I will try my best to work on them. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care of your sweet self. Bye.